At the center point.
Never do.
Hold your breath. The moment from now on, we will know this year is the best actress. And the winner is Carla Atienza. Those are the memories of Miss Actress. I was beautiful, sexy, and multi-talented. Young, sweet, and innocent actress. Endless engagement, guesting, interview. It's reading every award given by my fans still loves me. But the only permanent thing in the world is change. Yes, everything has changed. One day, I was walking through the mall and somebody called me. Are you Carla Densa? Said the man. Yes, I replied. You'll be okay with me? Me? I don't know you. Yeah, you don't know me. See, I have a gun. I'm willing to kill you. Make another noise. I was so afraid that time I will never. I didn't know anything. I never expected you to do. That was only my nightmare. My strangers start kissing me. I refused. But I did not stop. I begged for my life, but it did not hear me. I went, but I hit my stomach. I lost my consciousness. And when I wake up, oh, I cried and I cried. The man lying my side, a symbol of happiness for what he had done. Suddenly, it's like quickly, I hold and pull that trigger back. Wait! Again and again! Finally said, I'm still a star.